Hello again, my precious. This is a new video on my channel. Today we are going to discuss not a grammar topic, but really interesting and really important. I hope you will like it. So let's start. Погода, weather. So today we are going to talk about weather in Ukrainian, and I hope you will like this topic. Вивчимо нові слова. Let's learn some new words. Яка сьогодні погода? What the weather like today? What's яка сьогодні? Today погода weather. Яка сьогодні погода? I have prepared for you some new words with English translation, so let's look through them. Дощ, rain. Мряка, drizzle. Мрячить, it's drizzling. Злива, showers. Дощ, rain. Злива, потік дощу, downpour. Повінь, flood. Let's look at the cloudy weather. Хмари, clouds. Хмарно, cloudy. Похмуро, gloomy. Туманно, foggy. Захмарено, overcast. Ясно, clear. Something when it's cold. Холод, cold. Град, hail. Мокрий сніг, sleet. It's like wet snow. Мокрий, wet, сніг, snow. And in English it's sleet. Сніг, snow. Сніжинка, snowflake. And several words for English blizzard. Заметіль, завірюха, хуртовина. That's all blizzard. Заметіль, завірюха, хуртовина. Some really poetic synonyms and really widely used. And wind. Вітер. Wind, вітер. Breeze, breeze. Blustery, бурхливий вітер. It's like very, very strong wind. Windy, вітряно. Gale, буревій. Hurricane, ураган. Туман яром, туман долиною, туман яром, туман долиною. Температура, temperature. Спекотно, hot. Тепло, warm. Прохолодно, cool. Холодно, cold. Морозно, freezing. Інші слова. Other vocabulary. Прогноз погоди, forecast. Посуха, drought. Блискавка, lightning. Грім, thunder. Веселка, rainbow. To say about something about the weather, we can say in Ukrainian погода холодна, the weather is cold, or we can say холодно, it's cold, and that's it, just one word. Or морозно, it's freezing, or спекотно на дворі, it's hot outside. Тобто взагалі одне слово і все зрозуміло, so only one word and everything is clear in Ukrainian. So that's how we talk about weather, and let's continue with our practice. Right now we are going to listen to a short dialogue. Me and my other friends have prepared it for you, and here we have a talk about weather.
Холодно.
Яка сьогодні погода? На вулиці хмарно та дощ, холодно та похмуро. Така погода в травні завжди? Ні, зазвичай в травні ясно та тепло, іноді навіть спекотно. Буває посуха. Погано, що зараз дощ. Не сумуй, після дощу завжди буває веселка. Діалог. A dialogue. So you have just heard a small dialogue with me and my five friends performing it. So let's look through the words and phrases. Яка сьогодні погода? What the weather today? На вулиці хмарно та дощ. Outside, in the yard, in the street. It's cloudy and it is rain. Холодно та похмуро. It's cold and gloomy. Така погода в травні завжди? Is such weather in May always? Or not word for word. Is such weather always in May? Is it usual for May? Ні, зазвичай в травні ясно та тепло. No. Usually in May it is clear and warm. Іноді навіть спекотно. Sometimes even it's hot. Буває посуха. There could be a drought. Погано, що зараз дощ. It's bad that now it is rain. Не сумуй. Don't be sad. Після дощу завжди буває веселка. After the rain, always there is a rainbow. There is a really simple dialogue about weather. You can put any words you wish to talk about weather. That's pretty simple, so you can make your own dialogue and practice with me and my fluffy friends. And I hope you liked everything. Write the questions in the comments. Ask me any you wish, any you wish to know, and maybe I will make another video about the weather. It's really interesting topic, as you wish. Just give me a hint in the comments that you need it. And if you need some videos about grammar too, just write me in the comments and I'll make another grammar video for you. Okay, and now you can go to the dialogue, listen it again and practice it.
І нехай проблеми та незгоди не роблять вам в житті погоди.
Okay, this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you've enjoyed it immensely like me and my fluffy friends enjoyed doing it. I hope everything was clear for you. If you have any questions, write me in the comments. Share this video with your friends if you like it. And in the comments you can write any ideas, any wishes about my new videos. And I write everything down and make a video for you. So let's see each other next Friday.